Welcome to Gun Talk. My name is Dave. In this video, we'll be installing the magazine catch assembly into our AR-15 lower receiver. Before doing any kind of work on your firearm, please ensure it's unloaded and in a safe working condition. Please follow all safety protocols when working on your firearm. Now we're going to install the magazine catch assembly onto our AR-15 lower receiver. Here's our parts. This is our magazine catch, our magazine spring, and the magazine button. I'm going to use this AR-15 action block to mount our lower receiver onto to do the work. First thing I'm going to do is take my magazine catch. I'm going to insert it into this hole right there. Okay, I'm going to hold that in place with my finger. I spun our receiver around so you can see our magazine catch sticking out on this side. I'm going to take my spring and insert it. Then I'm going to take my button, insert it over that spring, and we'll push it all the way through and hold it like this. So at this point, the catch is barely threaded into the button. I'm going to take a punch and I'm going to recess the button into the middle of the receiver. This way I can continue threading the catch. So when I get it to where I can't rotate it much further, I'm going to release it and see how far I've threaded the screw. So if you can see here, the screw is slightly exposed on the outside of the button, and that's about where we want it. Now we can do a function check on this. Zoom out a little bit. Take a magazine, we'll insert it. It's held in place. Now I'm going to depress the magazine release button and it slides out. So that's a pretty good function check. And that's how we install our magazine catch assembly. If you found this video helpful, please leave your comments below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching.